Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the logarithmic series. So before that, we will discuss about the some basic in log. So let a, x and y be the positive real number, a not equal to 1, and log of base a 1 equal to 0, and log a base a equal to 1, and log of xy base a equal to log x plus log y, and log of x by y equal to log x minus log y, and third one log of x power r base a equal to r into log of x base a. Now some properties. So first one is a product rule, that is a log of xy is equal to log x plus log y, and quotient rule, log x by y equal to log x minus log y, and power rule, so log x power p equal to p of log x, change of base rule, log x base a equal to log x base a by log a base b, and equality rule, if log x equal to by base a equal to log y base a, then x equal to y. So these are the problem based on the basic definition. Next, so definition of the logarithmic series: an expansion for log of 1 plus x as a series of power of x, which is valid only when mod x less than 1. So these are the basic expansion. First one is a log of 1 plus x equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4, etc. up to infinity. And suppose if you replace x by minus x, we get log of 1 minus x equal to minus of x minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3, etc. So r minus of log 1 minus x equal to, so everything positive in the RHS. Next, another some important. Suppose if you add log of 1 plus x and log of 1 minus x, we get minus 2 of x square by 2, x power 4 by 4, etc. infinity. And subtraction, log 1 plus x minus log 1 minus x, we get 2 times of x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5, etc. infinity. So next one, log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, or we can write it like this, that is log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x equal to 2 times of x plus x cube by 3, etc. So similarly, if you put x equal to 1, so we get log 2. So that is expansion of log 2 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, etc. up to infinity. And these are the basic rules. And what is the difference between the exponential and logarithmic? So we have the expansion, already we discussed in the previous chapter. So that is expansion of e power x equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial and all. And so in logarithmic, so log of 1 plus x minus x square by 2, x cube by 3, in the terms are alternative, positive and negative. So in the exponential, everything positive sign. In logarithmic, so alternative, positive and negative. So the exponential series is the denominator of all the terms involve factorial or natural number, but in the logarithmic series, in terms that do not contain factorial. The exponential series valid for only the values of valid for all the values of x. The logarithm series valid only mod x less than 1. Let us see few example based on the expansion. So first one is f. If x is large, find the value of log of 1 plus x minus log x up to first degree term. So we know that log of 1 plus x, that is expansion of log 1 plus x equal to x minus x square by 2, x cube by 3 and all. So we have to subtract log of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. So rewrite as log of, apply the log rule, that is a minus b equal to log of a by b. So can be written as like this, and take LCM and expand. So we have to consider only first degree term, that is 1 by x nearly. Therefore the value of log of 1 plus x minus log x equal to 1 by x nearly. And next one, prove prove that 1 by 1 dot 2 plus 1 by 2 dot 2 square etc. equal to log 2. So we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So first one, LHS. So we have to substitute x equal to 1 by 2. So the given term becomes x plus x square by 2, x cube by 3, etc. Now, what is the sum of the series? We know that the expansion of log 1 minus x equal to this. So that is, we can sum of the series is, we can put minus of log 1 minus x. Now replace x. So x is, we consider 1 by 2, replace that one. So now simplify, we get the log 2, that is the RHS, hence verified. And next one, find the value of the series. So given is log e base 2 and minus of log e base 4, etc. So now apply the based on the rule, we can rewrite as 1 by log 2 base e minus 1 by log 4 base e, etc. So now, so again rewrite as, so 1 by log 2. So power, now apply the power rule, we get 1 by log 2 minus 1 by 2 log 2 and etc. Now put, so log 2 is a common, so we can take it outside. So what is the remaining? 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So we know that sum of the series is log 2. Now substitute log 2 by log 2. So we can cancel, getting 1. So value is 1. And next one. So in this, same thing. So we can, what is the given series? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 square. So the series becomes 1 by 4, 1 by 4 square, 1 by 4 cube, etc. So we can substitute x equal to 1 by 4. So the given series becomes x plus x square by 2, x cube by 3 and all. So sum of the series is minus of log 1 minus x, and replace x now and simplify, we get log of 4 by 3. So now, so log of 1 plus 1 by 3 equal to, we can rewrite as log of 4 by 3 as 1 plus 1 by 3. Now we can expand using log of 1 plus x expansion. So we get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3 whole square, etc. So this is our RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. And next one. So same thing. So if y equal to this, we have to show that x. So since y equal to this, that is sum of this is log of 1 plus x. Taking exponents on both sides, we get e power y equal to 1 by x. So that is, we know that expansion of e power y, that is 1 plus y by 1 factorial, y square by 2 factorial and all. So that is x equal to, so we can cancel 1 both sides. So finally we get x equal to y by 1 factorial plus y square by 2 factorial and all. And next. So same thing. So this is a given series. We have to prove that a log a, that is the given series LHS is equal to RHS. Our RHS is log a minus log x. We can put y equal to a minus x by a. So in the given series. So what we get? We get y plus y square by 2, y cube by 3. Sum of this is minus of log 1 minus y. Now replace y. Now simplify and log a by x. So apply the rule, log a by b equal to log a minus log b. That is our RHS. Hence verified. Next one. So given ABC are 3 consecutive integer, prove that log b equal to 1 by 2 log a plus 1 by 2 log c plus etc. So what is that? Since ABC are 3 consecutive integer, so we have a equal to b minus 1 and b and c equal to b plus 1. 3 consecutive means b minus 1, b plus 1. So we can AC is b square minus 1. So from the LHS, from the RHS, that is RHS is equal to 1 by a log a plus log c. So log a and log c can be written as log ac by rule, log a plus log b rule. Okay. And next, now we can replace AC. What is the AC? AC is a b square minus 1. Replace that value. Now 1 by 2AC plus 1 plus 1 by 3. So which is in the form of x plus x by 3, that is x cube by 3 and r. So what is sum of the series? Sum of the series is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Here we consider x is a 1 by 2AC plus 1. So apply that row value. Sum of the series is, that is half log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now simplify. So let's simplify. Take LCM and simplify. We getting here log b square minus 1. This side log of 2AC plus 2. Now 2 common, we can take it outside. So again, so replace AC. What is the AC? AC is b square minus 1. Substitute that value. Again simplify. Finally we get b square by b square minus 1. Now apply the rule. Log A plus log B rule. So log A by B is a log A minus log B. So finally we get, expand and simplify. Finally we get half into log B square equal to log B equal to RHS. Hence verified. Thank you, student.